Hi there, I look at these videos and I think I can do better. Let me explain why. First I thought I have to make a jig which will look like this. So at the first I tried to apply a dot in the middle, which is in the size of the grain. And then I apply the force on the heatsink legs. You have to apply a force on the heatsink legs diagonally. If you will apply a force from one side, there is a chance the thermal paste can spread on one side and won't cover other side of the CPU IHS. And for the reasoning why I'm using this jig is that it will simulate more real-life scenarios instead of applying glass on the thermal paste with the fingers. This is how it looks at the end. Next method was applying thermal paste with X pattern, and let's see how it will spread. Again, the same rules. Try to apply force evenly across CPU IHS in order to spread thermal paste as equally as I can. Now you can see thermal paste spread across IHS. For the next method I was spreading thermal paste across all IHS before applying cooler, and let's see how it will look when I will apply a jig. With this method there is a chance that bubbles can form while applying a cooler on CPU. Thankfully that wasn't the case in here. And this is how it looks at the end. In here I was applying thermal paste diagonally. I don't see really any reason to change the way the line will be applied, because it will spread in any way, either you apply it diagonally or horizontally or vertically. Obviously people get triggered for amount of thermal paste they see, and there is also a really good Gamer Nexus video that shows that amount of thermal paste is actually not that important. Most of the time that you have to cover IHS with your cooler, and obviously thermal paste between those two. And for the last, I was trying to apply thermal paste with the grain method, but intentionally trying to fix a cooler from one side, then from the other side, to see if this will affect a spread pattern. To my surprise, the thermal paste did spread quite equally across IHS. If you are wondering what is IHS, on the left you have a CPU with IHS, the metal cover, and on the right is CPU without IHS, where you can see CPU core. And at the end we can see that there is no any difference between any appliance methods or amount of thermal paste. Only thing that you have to bother about is that thermal paste covers all IHS, and that's all. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below and see you next time.